Okay guys, so this is the tutorial of the card trick that was uploaded today. The future type card trick. I'm going to be showing you the future. Yes, this is the paper. So this is the tutorial how to do that card trick. And if you haven't checked out the performance of that card trick, make sure to, I'm going to link that performance in the description box, so please go ahead and check the video. So now what we are going to do in the performance is, first you have to mix that card and mix the cards in front of your eyes, and after you mix the cards, you're just going to like this. Wait a second. Okay, I'm just going to be mixing it randomly, no such false cuts or something. These are random shuffles, you can see. So what this does that guys, after we mix the card trick, what you have to do is you have to just show the cards to your spectator as I did in the performance. So just but what you guys are doing, you're not going to remember the bottom card. No, you are going to be remembering the 9th card from the bottom of your deck. Okay, so what is the 9th card? This is the Jack of Clubs. How did I notice this card while I was performing? So what you have to do is you have to just spread in blocks of 3. So this is 3, the easiest way. Then spread another 3 cards, and as you spread the last 3, you will see that this is remember the last 9th card. It is the Jack of Clubs, and just keep spreading. And what this does is makes this card trick an impromptu card trick, so that you will give the deck and just they will mix it, and then after the mixing you will take the cards and will show it to them and spread in blocks of 3, and just remember the 9th card and just keep spreading till the end, till your spectators what to say that word, till your spectator is satisfied. Okay, that was a tongue twister for me. So what you guys can do, the easier way to do this part is just before you go up to your spectator to show this trick, just what you will do is just remember the 9th card before the trick begins. So just keep 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and just remember the top card, the 9th card. Just remember it and just keep the card right in the 9th position, and from now you will begin with the card trick. But what this part does is, if your spectator asks for the deck to shuffle, you cannot give them the deck to shuffle. So you have to show them the card right and let them forget that the deck wasn't shuffled. So after you have to remember the card in the 9th position, that is for us, that is the Jack of Clubs. So what we are going to do is, you will take a piece of paper and on that you will write this thing. We will end on the card, the Jack of Clubs. You have to write this thing, so this makes the card trick even more interesting. So you will keep the paper that you took right about there, and now what you are going to do, this is self-working card trick, so do as I did in the performance. Just let your spectator take any 4 cards. Let this one 4 first. They can truly choose any card second, or you may also give them the cards 3 and let the other one be 4. So these are the 4 cards. You just keep them inside. Just keep them inside the camera view. Okay. So now I'm going to give you some information that the value, or in this card, so the value of all the king, queen, and jack is 10. The value of all the cards you will see that have the value face cards, jack, queen, or king, they have the value of 10. All the cards that have the value of A will mean that 1, because you will see that only there are 1 club. That means that the value is 1. So you will tell that we are not going, and the 10 of any suit, you are not going to keep any cards on those that have the value of 10. So we are going to skip this queen. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 is 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 is 9, so plus 1 is 10. So after you did this part, you will casually tell the spectator that you are going to misdirect them. You are going to tell them if they would have chosen any other cards, the number of cards here would have been changed. So, and you can tell that, and you are casually going to collect these cards to the bottom of the pile. This is the important knot you are going to collect and keep it on the top. Just collect the cards randomly like I did now into the bottom of the pile. And as now at this point the card trick is set, now we have to just count the value of card. Queen is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24. So we are just going to put 24 cards. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, and tell them. And before you reveal this card, what you will do is you will just bring the prediction in front of their eyes, and you will tell them that you will see get their attention that the card, we will end on the card with Jack of Clubs, and we just give the card a little bit of flick, and we just show the card that it did land on Jack of Clubs, though it was predicted 5 or 2 degrees of gold. This is a pretty cooling style card trick, and the spectators will pretty amazed. They will have a hard time figuring this how you do that, how you do that. Yeah, this is the card trick tutorial, and if you like these types of videos, then please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel Akash Perfect. And till then, peace out.